Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 108 collection. So this is a pre-registered vehicle that's done less than 10 miles. Comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this, you get automatic air conditioning, automatic headlights. There's also a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 72 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.